Hi there. Welcome to the Logic course adventure. In this video, I show you some important features of your new Logic textbook. The first thing to notice is the dashboard link in the menu at the top of the page. If you click that, it takes you to the dashboard area. A table of contents for the book is over here on the lower left-hand side. You can use that to navigate to any particular chapters or sections. One of the principles we designed the textbook around is that learning logic should be fun. So above the table of contents, this area will be populated with achievements that you earn. The achievements also get emailed to you, so if you're not seeing the emails, they might be going to a spam folder. Your progress on the textbook will be recorded on this bar in the middle, and you can jump back into working on the book by clicking the Resume Working button over here on the right-hand side. The first time you come to the dashboard, this Resume button won't appear because you haven't started the textbook yet. If you do see a green Resume button, that means you might have started a sample chapter on the website, and clicking it will not take you to the full copy of the book. Instead, you should click this orange link that says, "Click here to start the textbook." This will take you to the full book. Here's the homepage of the book itself. You'll notice that to even read the book, you have to complete problems. If one of these ever isn't working, like you try to drag the words and they don't move, then something just didn't load properly. And if you refresh the page, it should work. We can move from here into the rest of the book by clicking Chapter 1 now. Once we jump into the book itself, you'll notice that the layout changes into focus mode. You can always get back to the website by clicking the icon in the upper left corner. And you can return to the dashboard by hovering over your name in the right-hand corner and clicking Dashboard. The navigation for the book is on the left-hand side of the page, which you can collapse if you don't need it. Let's enter one of the sections and see what it looks like. When you've mastered the material in any particular section, there's a link at the top that says Mark Progress and Advance. You control your progress in the textbook. So once you feel like you've mastered some material and completed all the problems, then you can click that and it will take you to the next section. Also notice that it starts to record our progress. It says we've done one of 208 steps. The graphic for this only works in 1% increments. So let me click this a couple more times to get over that threshold. Once I've completed 3 sections, there we go. We're one baby step on our way to logic mastery. Look over here on the left-hand side now. This little icon at the chapter shows us that we've started completing sections in this chapter, and in each section it tells us which ones we've already worked through. Let me point out something that might not be obvious. Over here in the lower left-hand corner is a green notepad icon. If you click that, it allows you to take notes in every particular section, and when you return there, your notes will be waiting for you. Let me show you something that is easy to miss. The field up here, this is the title field to the note, and putting stuff in here is a helpful way to navigate back to it. So what I'll write is need help, and in my note, I'll say section 1.4 was hard. Okay. After my note saves, let's navigate back to the dashboard area and see what's happened. You can see that what I put in that title of the note is what appears here in my summary of all of my notes. And I can easily get back to that section by following the breadcrumbs for the note here. Also notice, once I've started the textbook, I can click this green Resume Working button, and it will take me right back to the last place that I was working on. That completes your tour of the new Logic textbook. Have fun with it.